Everyone. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing good. We had a really exciting opportunity at the end of the day today, end of the trading day, and so I'm really excited to share this with you. What I ended up noticing was an opportunity in the SPY with just under an hour left in the trading day. So we picked up 10 credit spreads, put credit spreads, uh, starting at we sold the 284 and we bought the 283, and as you can see right now we're at $90 profit just on that single trade, which brings our total day to right around 146. So looking at the chart here, we're nearing the end of the day. The green is what we sold, so that is our credit, and red is what we bought back for insurance. So that was the 283 put that we purchased. And you saw that it kind of hovered around there at the beginning of the day and broke through the 284 and stayed above. And so we bought in just I think there was about 50 minutes left in the trading day. And so I figured it was trading around 285 and a half, and I thought it was a perfect opportunity to ride it out for the last half hour of the day, 45 minutes. And so it's just before 1 o'clock right now on Pacific time, so 4 o'clock Eastern time, and we basically made all of our money, all of our potential profits. So instead of letting it expire, I want to lock it in now, and so I grab the screen record, and we're starting that right now. So you could see, our total asset value right now is at 1122. So we've made a decent amount of money today, and again, we're just selling expiration day contracts right now with no time, and so we've made $122 as it stands right now, which is absolutely phenomenal. Just selling credit spreads, so we don't need to have underlying shares to sell these because we're purchasing the call beneath our strike price that we're selling. So that kind of balances it out for us. So we got a couple minutes left. We're going to go ahead and close this order. So we'll right click, make sure both legs of the credit spread are selected, and we'll click it. It's essentially expired, worthless at this point. You can see the price is down to 1 cent. So we're going to go ahead and close it at 1 cent a piece. Confirm. Now keep in mind we have $23 in commissions because we have 10 contracts a piece, so that's 20 in total. So that's not working in our favor for such a small account, but for such a quick dollar, I think it was worth it this one time. So it's not something that we want to practice often, but for some occasions it might be worth it, and this is an occasion that I think is worth it. So we're having a little bit of trouble getting it filled. You can see our liquid amount is now 1132, but that doesn't include the commissions, which will be deducted once this order goes through. So we got a little bit of time before closing bell, at which case we wouldn't be charged commission, but I just feel a little more secure filling it, and we were able to complete it before closing bell. So you can see our total amount went down a little bit to $1,119, but overall this really performed great for us. So we were able to stay above our projections, and so that's something that I really appreciate about Thinkorswim is the charting abilities. Being able to see where the resistance lies and where it really bounces, because it gives you a better outlook on where your trade could possibly go. So I started out in Robinhood actually and moved to Thinkorswim, and this is one of the main benefits of definitely Thinkorswim. So just wanted to share this with you guys and show you what we did at the end of the day. So when we come back on Monday or next week, you'll understand the difference in the account value. So It was a great day today. $119 profit total is great. That's almost 12% in one day. And so let's keep going.